Hi, welcome to Happy Resorts and Tourism. Now we are in Wayanad series. Actually, today we are going to capture the Wayanad Snow Vibes Homestay. The speciality of homestay, we can feel that we are taking a rest in our own home in Wayanad. So we can see the beauty of this homestay. Come on. Here in the opening area, sitting area made by the wood. It's actually normal in this Kerala, and we can see the inner part. Come on. And this is the dining hall area. They designed it very well by the lighting and everything. The specialty of this dining area is the floor portion, because it's feeling an ocean like that, and the dolphin, shark, and something, so many fishes, and the beauty. It's really beauty. I think the children a lot of enjoyment in this floor. And there is a table and a wash base and TV and sofa, everything like our own home, like anywhere. And we can see the room section of this. Come on. Actually, they created this room is very well in furniture, and the toilet and the lighting, everything are so beautiful, so normal. There is also another specialty for this room. It's lighting. We can change this lighting like this. No. Okay, this is the specialty. It's changing the ambience of this room, and the bed are like just resorts and like that. And there is a furniture and alamara we can use to keep our clothes and everything. There is so many shelves and something. Also a beautiful mirror, and we can see the toilet. It's so normal, like a European closet and everything, like a normal Kerala house. And it's so clean also. And we can go to the kitchen portion. As like everywhere, like our home, we have every facilities, including the refrigerator and the purified water, also the mixie and stove, and there is a lot of plates and every materials for cooking. I think there is also biryani, chum, likewise everything for making. So next we can go to the upper portion of this home. Come on. This is the staircase goes to upper side, and this is the upper portion, and we can see the area of this balcony section. There is a chair, and it's so beautiful to sit here and see the vibes like a balcony. And we can go to the dining hall of this section. It's a wide area of dining hall, including, and I don't know what is the name of this thing, but it's so beautiful to sit here. And if you would like to capture, do a ceremony or something, and birthday party and everything with a home style, it's so available for that, because they have a huge space, and including TV and everything. It's also, we can do a presentation and something. There is a table and also wash base, and there is a nice view area. And we can go to the bedroom of this upper area. It's a speciality because the bed space is so different. It's a upper berth also. We can accommodate two persons under and one person above this. If there is a children's also, it's I think two or three children can accommodate so softly. And the alamara and the furniture are also like the same of under portion, and including an mirror and something. It's like a same, and it's so nice to sit here. And the toilet also same like the under portion. There is an toilet and a shower, also heater and wash base, everything so nice. So next we can go to the balcony section of this area. Come on. Through this balcony section we can go to the upstairs of this homestay. So we can see what's waiting there for us, the balcony section. Come on. Oh my god, it's really different, because we can see the beauty of Wayanad from here. Some homes and the tea plantation and the trees, and also there is a mountain peak also, and we can enjoy this beauty by sitting or dining also. Come on, we can see that. Yes, this is that which I mentioned. And eat from here. We can talk everything from here. This is the another specialty of this homestay. So let's go to the under portion. Hi, and once more we reached in the ground portion. And there is a small enjoyment for the students and children. We can swing like this. I think youngers also can swing like this. It's so cool. So this is today's homestay. If you like to stay the homestay, just contact us. If you would like to see more homestays, resorts and tourism spots at Wayanad and everywhere in Kerala, just follow us and we will upload every day a video. Thank you.